come here to see the Aero Show of 2019 in India, Bangalore. It is excellent.
The Aero India 2019 was an amazing experience. This was the first time that I was attending any Aero India shows, and I had a great time.
We've been participating at Aero India for the last more than 10 years now, and very pleased with the outcome and the inquiries that we generated out of this event and in the past for regarding investment in Canada, as well as collaboration with Canadian companies in the aerospace and defense sector.
The models on display for Rafael and Tejas were particularly interesting, and I really loved the air display with a special applause to the F-16 performance. I think that was terrific. Overall, I had a great time.
Women were first inducted into the Indian Air Force in 1992, and the first batch got commissioned in 1993. So it's been a saga of 26 years with the Indian Air Force. And over these 26 years, women have come a long way in this organization. Indian Air Force has been inclusive of women across ranks and branches. Now we have women representing women power in the Indian Air Force.
I'm really thrilled to see there is a special day for a women in aviation that is being covered. So it's really a great platform and great opportunity for the women in aviation, and I think it's going to take us miles altogether.
So as a part of recognizing this women power in the Indian Air Force, the 12th Aero India edition is dedicated to women in aviation, and we are all very proud to be a part of this.
As I'm a first year student, it's like a sapling for me, and it gives many ideas, inspirations. We have learned many things from whatever they gave.
Overall, the Drone Olympics experience was a good experience. We have taken our first step towards the future.
This kind of competition actually will grow the country's technological power, because drones is future. Drones will bring a lot of economic boost up to the country.
very fun. I like the Surya Kiran the most, and it was like amazing, and the formations and tiltings, I liked it the most.
Very proud to be a part of the show. It gives us a lot of information about the Indian Army Air Force.